So today on International Coastal Cleanup Day, CVS employees are coming out to the shorelines of Narragansett Bay and the Rhode Island coast to work with Save the Bay and thousands of other volunteers to participate in International Coastal Cleanup Day.
To work for a company that actually cares about the environment makes me feel valued.
Across the country, we have hundreds of CVS Health colleagues coming together through these coastal cleanup events to have an impact and give back in their community.
First, I was surprised at all the kind of stuff that you can find. The people just throw away. We found from cigarette bund to car tire, a lot of beer bottles. Look like there's a lot of party going on by the bay. There's a lot of trash to pick up, a lot of trash. I was surprised.
Year after year after year, we find more cigarette butts and plastic bottles. The cigarette butts contain plastic in them. They break down. That plastic makes its way into the water and makes its way into the entire Narragansett Bay system. If you're a fish, you're ingesting that stuff. If you're a person that eats those fish, you're also ingesting that stuff as well.
CVS Health has a national partnership with the Ocean Conservancy to support their Trash Free Seas program and the International Coastal Cleanup. Through this partnership, we hope that we'll pick up more than 2 million cigarette butts off the beach.
I also think that it's important to show that our tagline of helping people on their path to better health isn't just a tagline.
We do events like this so that we're all together in this. It's not just something that's pasted on a wall. It's not just something that we aspire to be. It is who we are. It's in our DNA.
We are helping the state of Rhode Island, which I think is an ambassador to the rest of the country, the rest of America, as the front line on the shoreline.
We need to get to the point where we're encouraging each other to use less wasteful stuff, but also not to leave it behind.
Today we're all coming together. We're spending only 2 hours. 2 hours isn't going to cut it. So we need to continue the momentum. It can't just stop here. I think we have to get out together and keep it going.
Here today, at this event, we collected more than 300 pounds of trash.
Hopefully people will walk away from the experience of doing this cleanup even more committed to preventing this from happening in the first place. I mean, we don't want to be doing this. No one wants to be doing this. And the long-term vision is that we're not doing this at all ever again.